Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Diana, but my family and friends call me Di. I am finishing up my weekly grocery shopping, and in today's video, I will be showing you what's inside my refrigerator. These type of videos are my favorite type of videos to watch. I love watching what people have in their refrigerator, how they organize, what are they eating. So honey, if you are nosy like I am, let's get into it. Okay, so on the top shelf, I always put my meat that I'm going to cook for the week on my top shelf. So I have chicken breasts, salmon, and lamb chops. So I know some of you all going to be out in the comments saying, you're not supposed to put your meat on the top shelf. But as you can see, my meat is sitting inside of trays. So we don't have to worry about contaminating the rest of our food. So let's move to this drawer here. So in the top here, I have these siete flour tortillas. These are the bomb. I recommend these if y'all looking for an alternative for flour tortillas and something that's low in carbs. So under here, I have some chicken breasts, sliced chicken breasts, and I get these from Costco. And I have bacon here. And then I have some chicken sausage there. And then I have this spelt bread. It's an alternative for wheat. And also, it's rich in magnesium, iron, and zinc. Okay, moving on to this next shelf here, I have my eggs. And I have two of these glass cartons, and they hold 14 eggs apiece. Okay, and so this one right here is my tray in my house. I don't want nobody even to touch it. Matter of fact, don't even look at it. So in here, I made some parfaits. I got some cucumbers and vegetables cut up in there, and I have some Slim Jims. Okay, so here I have some lemon and lime, and I have avocado. Okay, let's move on. So in this bin here, I have cheese. It is some cheese lovers in this house, and sometimes I do like to have a little cheese in my eggs in the morning, but most of the time I try to stay away from cheese. So in the next one here, I have these ginger beers, which I like these because they're small and this help with nausea. So here I have a turmeric ginger coconut beverage. This is so good. I like to have this warm in the morning. And I just add a little nutmeg and some maple syrup. And then here I have my almond milk. Okay, let's move on. So we have the grapes in this container. I have some snacks for the people in my household. This is snacks that they snacks of choice. They love these little snacks. Here in these bins, these are some good bins to keep your food fresh. These are by OXO. And I have strawberries and blueberries in there. Okay, let's move to this drawer here. So in this one, I have another OXO container. And here I like to keep I have my kale, spinach, and choy here. And so in this one, I have some cucumbers already cut up, some carrots, and some bell peppers. And these are also OXO containers. So this next drawer here, I like to keep my apples and oranges and some ginger root. Okay, so let's move on over to the door of the refrigerator. So the door of the refrigerator, I like this butter. This is my butter of choice. I like the earth balanced butter, and I always do the soy free. And then here I have some rosemary and some dill there. So here, let's move on. I have my condiment shelf here. So I have some salad dressing and some Primo ketchup. And then this stuff here, this is coconut aminos. This is a soy-free alternative. Y'all need to Google this. And so I have some Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce. Okay, so here I have some coconut water here. And this is what I like to put in my smoothie sometime in the morning because I want milk. So I use this coconut water here. And then here I have some Frappuccinos. My husband is the coffee drinker in this house. I am not a big coffee drinker. And then I have some Natural Bliss here. Okay, moving on to the next shelf, I have bell peppers here, cherry tomatoes, and then these two mason jars, I have my smoothies already prepped for in the morning. And then here I have my chicken broth, and I like to keep this in the house because I like to put this in my rice. And then sometimes I put a little bit of it in my meats to keep them juicy. And then back there I have some hemp seeds. You can use them for a good source of protein in your salads or your yogurt parfaits. Okay, and then moving on to this shelf, I have my jelly here. I have some almond butter, and I like to have this also as a source of protein in my smoothies. And then, so next to this one, I have some red hot buffalo sauce. I have some aloe vera gel, and that is it. I want to thank you all for watching my video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And hey, by the way, I don't mind you talking about me. Just don't forget to mention the good things.